canal at Todmorden. Oh my god! Flood warning, Todmorden. Can you hear the sirens? The sirens have gone off, which means we have to evacuate the buildings. Oh my god. That's the canal in Todmorden, in central Todmorden. That's the canal, totally overflowing. As you can see, the water eventually is going to find its way through the alleyways through here. You see the water is already building up. Everybody needs to get out of the area, pack up your stuff, grab your belongings and get the heck out of here, because the water is going to take over the whole town. Look at that. Look at the force of that water. Right, that's a siren. Whenever the siren is heard like this, in the event of a flood, means it's a level, maximum level warning. Which means you have to get the heck out of here. Okay, we need to go. Let's go. Oh, shit. That's also just have a quick look at the canal on this side. Oh heck. And it's overflowing even further. I've just seen it a few minutes ago and it's gone further. It's risen further, the water has. So look at this here. Oh yeah, the water is rising. It's continuing to rain. Rain's not stopping. The sirens have gone off. And it looks like once again Todmorden has been finally hit again by the flood. What a shame.